Yo, what's up guys, Shiro here from Just Another Style Channel, coming back to you guys again with another Supreme unbagging slash boxing. This one is filled with summer tees today, and when I mean filled with it, I mean like, trust me, there's a lot of them. We got one huge bag over here and two little slim bags, so 1, 2, 3 bags filled with summer tees. So let's get into it. Alright, so first we're gonna get into the two little bags over here and we're gonna look what's inside them. Now these bags are courtesy of my little bro. I would not have been able to cop this many t-shirts if it wasn't for him. And I do have 2 more t-shirts coming in from the States as well, which I proxied over, and I paid pretty much exactly Canadian retail. So that person was able to make the same amount of money they would have on StockX for some of those t-shirts I picked up, and they sold it to me at Canadian retail. So for some of you US sellers out there, you can make a little more money than StockX and sell to Canadians, but that's besides the point. I will cover that all in a separate StockX related video. Let's get into these 2 bags over here. Now the first bag here has one of my favorite t-shirts, and that is the Ganesh Tee. I know a lot of people keep saying Ganesha, and it's just Ganesh, guys. It's just Ganesh. And the main reason I like this tee is because of the Supreme spell out over here, and it's a pretty dope tee. Just honestly, the coloring on it is just amazing. You look at that blue comic POW font and everything just written there with that red contrast, and I knew black and white were the go-to ones for this. I thought that the Ganesh would have turned out a little better, but honestly I feel like the white one was probably the best one, and this is my second best. Like, the Ganesh Tee, trust me, this is a sleeper and it's gonna go up in value over time. And for those of you who don't know, this says skateboard or saket board in Hindi if you were to translate it, and I had to ask my parents for that one. And for those of you who don't know, I actually am Indian. So yeah, shout out to all the brown boys out there that are gonna be rocking Ganesh Tees at their local temple. So you know what, shout out to you guys. And the saket boards out there, it just says skateboard, guys. It says nothing else. Supreme skateboard, that's it. And you got my boy Ganesh chilling up here doing his thing. Alright, next t-shirt we got over here I actually got for a friend, which is the Mona Lisa tee. Now you guys might be wondering why this tee looks so huge, and that's because this is a size extra large. I don't know if the camera will pick up on the label for you guys to see, but this is an extra large Mona Lisa tee. That's right, extra large. Now you guys can see the print looks really dope. This was one of the most hyped tees from the week overall, and I was just like, it's a pretty normal print to me, honestly. It just reminds me of the off-white stuff, and I think Pleasures did one as well. So if you weren't able to cop this, I know Pleasures has a really good one, and if you are on the hype side and want a little more expensive one, you guys can probably just grab the off-white one. I know they're on sale in crew necks and things like that. So we have the black Mona Lisa tee in XL over here. Print goes on to the other side, and then Supreme spelled out on the inside over here. I don't want to open it because I want to let my friends do that and do that themselves, and the other ones are sitting on ice, and you know, people like dead stock stuff, factory seals, so what's the point of opening it? But we will open up the stickers because, you know, your boy keeps those for himself. Alright, now this is the final bag over here. Now this is the one from my infamous live cop. If you guys have not seen that, you can see that up over here or there. I don't know where it's gonna be linked, but it's gonna be somewhere up there. So I carded 4 t-shirts in one order. That's right, 4 tees, one order, and I regret not going for the swimmer's tee, and that is the only t-shirt I did not cop that I wanted, or I kind of regret because I did not think it would do as well as it did, and honestly it was a sleeper print and I passed on that, so that's my fault entirely. And I didn't want to get greedy going for like 5 of them in one order. So as you guys can see here, look at the stack, 4. I could have got 5, but you know, didn't want to be too greedy. Now I was already greedy going for 4 in one cart. All of these black size medium, could have probably done it, but who knows. Still an impressive live cop in my opinion. I saved a lot of money on shipping because in Canada you pay 20 USD per shipping. So each of those orders there, my brother did separate carts. I didn't mind, it was whatever, because I'm gonna keep them on ice and they weren't that expensive even when converted to Canadian, so it wasn't too bad. But honestly, I saved 60 USD, which is a lot of money, like around $85 Canadian just on shipping alone by not doing separate carts. That's why when you see double up carts from Canadians and things like that, it's a big dub, because you know, we saving a lot of money out there. So once again, a medium Mona Lisa tee. You guys can see that it is the same color, black medium. I think white looked pretty good on it as well. The other colors were like all weird. Like there was such a good potential with it. I think the tangerine color did good as well, but there was so much potential, but they switched it up to this weird like magenta-esque font. I don't know if I can pop up a picture there so you guys can see it, but yeah, honestly I think that the black and white print, super dope, super clean tee. one of the best ones so far and one of the most hype ones. Going to be on ice for a while. And then going into, once again, Saket board, Ganesh Tee, Hindus out there, shout out to you guys. And here's a quick tip. I know I've seen a lot of videos out there. So Hinduism is a religion, so Hinduism, that's a religion. Hindi is a language and it's a national language. So there you guys go. That's a little quick tip. Saket board, skateboard. Thank you to my parents for telling me what this actually means, because I did not know. I can't read or write Hindi, but I do understand Hindi. And you know, shout out to all my people that watch Bollywood movies out there.
Come on.
Yeah, and now getting into one of the more slept on tees as well. Now this print is really dope, especially in black. Just check this out. This is the Octopus Tea over here, and I love how they package it so I don't have to open it to show you guys how it says Supreme. Now the Supreme is actually spelled out using the tentacles over here, and it says Supreme on there. That's pretty much it. Dope, kind of like fluorescent colored, not fluorescent, but multicolored print over here. Really dope, really bright. Honestly, if you layer this with a flannel, it's gonna look dope. One of the other tees are really slept on next to the Ganesh Tee. And overall, it's a really dope tee. Tentacles Tee over here, Octopus Tea, whatever you want to call it. It's really dope. I know it's gonna have value, just like the Ganesh Tee over time. These are dope prints. They say Supreme all the way across it. And for a lot of you guys doubting it out there, thinking of why do I think these tees are gonna go up over time, just look at the chicken dinner tee on StockX. Like that was, I think, like $98 the week it dropped, or like 80 bucks, and it took the longest time to sell out. And now you look at it on StockX, it's like $200. And I know StockX is not my go-to place to sell stuff. I'm just saying, things do get value over time, and that was from the beginning of the season to now. So you know, t-shirts like this and the Ganesh Tee are definitely gonna go up. So I doubled up on Ganesh, actually tripled up on Ganesh, and tripled up on Mona Lisa, because I got 2 of those coming in from the States. And then last but not least, we have one of the most hyped tees as well after Mona Lisa. I think this was the second most hyped tee, and resale wise this is probably doing better than Mona Lisa right now, is the Rocks Tee over here. And it is, I think it was called a Gems Tee originally, and it was called the Rocks Tee online, but I can see on the bags here it says Crystals Tee. So same thing, whatever you want to call it. It's just different crystals over here spelling out Supreme. Each different letter has a different crystal on it, and I think these could be like birthstones and stuff. It's whatever, I don't know what it is, but exactly, yeah, you got a few different crystals spelling out Supreme over here. I think this one's an emerald, this one's a diamond, all that good stuff. Maybe some cubic zirconium on there as well. You know, that's probably just a finesse of a diamond, but you know what it is. And then you got London, New York, and Paris as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, London, New York, and Paris spelled out at the bottom. And that pretty much sums it up for all the t-shirts. So one of the main reasons I'm happy about copying all these t-shirts, and just to show you guys, I copped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 t-shirts. Now we'll get into the stickers for a second, but just to show you guys, this was not the flex. I got 6 t-shirts because there was a lot of stock on these, and if you wanted it, you could have got it if you're just fast enough. But you know, I know these are gonna go up in value over time, but that's not the point of this. What I'm trying to say right now is that the proceeds from these t-shirts did go towards the right charities and foundations in place to make sure that families do stay together with the current situations going on in America right now. And I'm so happy that Supreme took the initiative to do this, because they didn't have to. I know they make very strong political stance with their t-shirts sometimes, and the collaborations they do and the messages they spread across. And right now what they did is actually such a really good thing. And I'm so happy I was able to cop 6 t-shirts myself and 2 from someone else. And even though I pay all retail for them, I know my proceeds are going to it. I know that person that copped for me, their proceeds are going to it. So I'm really happy that this is not just for resale. And the main reason I picked up so many and was willing to pick up so many wasn't just because of resale, because resale is life, but at the same time, making sure your families are staying together is also life. And that struck really deep and hard to me, and it struck me right in the heart is what I'm trying to say right now. But yeah, in all seriousness, I'm very happy that I could do something that made a difference by just doing what I do every single week. I didn't do anything that went out of my way, and I will try to do things and always help out any initiative out there that's making sure that families do stay together. But doing something I do every week and knowing that that is actually helping someone is also a really great thing deep inside. And you know, resell is life, but you know, if you guys copped a t-shirt, I just want to say thank you to you guys. I know I am not Supreme, I am not the company that did this, but I want to thank you guys for taking a step forward, whether you copped it for hype or whether you copped it because of the charitable contributions behind it. I want to thank you for making a difference out there in this world and doing the right thing. Alright, so now that I got all that sappiness out of the way and just wanted to express that to you guys, let's go over what you guys really wanted to see, and that is the stickers. Now I left them in order of the pack they came in, and also shout out to Supreme this week for not squishing my stickers. But also UPS, I am on to you guys. I don't know if it's this bag here or the other bag here. Before we get into the stickers real quick, I just want to point something out to you guys. UPS or Supreme, whatever you guys are doing, stop this. Like, yo, come on. If this is Supreme and this is how you're packing my stuff these days, you guys are gonna cut open my shirts. But if this is UPS and some kind of driver just looking inside, I know my driver personally, so I know that's not him. But if this is someone from a processing plant, come on, this is like the second week in a row that my UPS bag has been sliced and that has been sliced, and I don't know if you guys are trying to peep my Supreme game over here and trying to finesse me and try to resell for yourself and do a full come up without paying retail for it. I don't know what it is, but thank God that this order that came in late, the bigger one, had everything in it. So now let's get into these stickers. So the first pack I opened up actually came with 3 stickers. Now they all came with 3 stickers in a pack. So the first one had the Mona Lisa sticker over here, and this has the same print that was on the t-shirt, and then followed by the Supreme Ganesh sticker over here. Once again, you got Ganesh on the sticker there, and a Supreme logo that is kind of wonky, but you know, it is not the most bent and worst condition sticker we have received, because we've seen some pretty bad ones throughout this entire series of pickups during this season. Going into the next one over here, we have another Mona Lisa sticker, so that's a double up on the Mona Lisa, and then we got an Octopus Supreme sticker over here. Now this is the one that we were missing, and now we have the complete set from the third part of the Spring Summer 2018 stickers over here. So Octopus sticker, double up on Mona Lisa, another BOGO. This one is actually pretty straight, not a single wrinkle on it, crispy BOGO to add towards the brick we have been trying to make all season long. And then finally, going over the last pack of stickers that I got was basically the Supreme Octopus sticker again, so a double up on that, another Ganesh sticker over here, and then boom, we have another Supreme BOGO that is kind of wrinkled, kind of bent, but it is all good. It is not the worst one we have seen on this season. So that sums it up for all the stickers. So we got 3, 6, 9 stickers, and then we have 2 more coming in with the order that I am gonna receive that I proxied from the States. So that is dope. Thank you to that individual for actually including all the stickers out there. I am terrible at including stickers sometimes, but yeah, you know what it is. I try to make sure that all my customers who actually do get orders get stickers, but these are all for myself and not for any customers. So you know, your boy's keeping the stickers, and I am trading this one with a friend who does not have the sticker so he can complete his set. So I have a set, now he has a set, and let's see what I get when I get those 2 ones in, and I'll probably show that off in a later video at some point about pickups I've done during the season that I have not shown you guys. Alright, now that sums it up for the video today, guys. Sorry for getting all sappy on you, but that had to be said at some point during the video. So thank you for sticking through that. If you skipped over it and just went to stickers, it's all good. You know, some people don't like listening to all that nonsense. But thank you guys for all of you to watch the entire video or watch some of it. Let me know what you guys picked up from this week down in the comment section below, or which t-shirt was your favorite. I know I regret passing up on the Swimmer's Tee, and I will probably trade one of my 3 Ganesh Tees for one of those Swimmer's Tees. And trust me, all these t-shirts are going to go up in value over time. They're dope prints, and they're prints I would have released back in the day. So trust me, all of them will hold their value and go up over time. So if you plan on selling it, you can make some money now, or if you don't find the right buyers or you're not finding the right price you're looking for, hold on to it for a season or 2, and trust me, they will go up in time. Or take it to your local consignment shop. It is what it is, and you know, just get the money out of it that you want instead of just putting on StockX and making like $10. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to follow my Spotify playlist, which is down in the description down below. And yeah, that's pretty much sums it up for the video, and I will see you guys next time.